If you're struggling to make your own first application, if you want to make your first own application, this is a beginner guide video where you can really start making your first own application, and you can go on and do other kind of business like freelancing, where you're paid to make applications for people and stuff, things like that. You can go to Fiverr there and register yourself. I don't know what they do over there, but hey, if you want to start making a mobile application, here is the video that you'll need to watch till the end. Don't skip any part, because today there is no code needed. You can make your application, and the front part is we're gonna use something called Flutter. And Flutter, the good thing is when you make only one application, it works on both Android and on iOS. Now this is what you always be needing to do. Like, you want this one, you want to make an application with only single code or anything, and it works on both Android and on iOS. So this FlutterFlow is what you need to know in this video, and that's why I'm going to teach you FlutterFlow. And the other part is FlutterFlow is divided into two parts. There's FlutterFlow, like the one which you code, and there's other one which I'm going to share with you today with no code experience. We're going to do by drag and drop. You're going to make your first application by drag and drop. Today we're gonna do, I don't know what application is gonna make, but we'll go in your computer right here and we're gonna see the application that I'll be making, and I don't know, whatever that will come up in my mind, I'll just make that kind of application. So being said, so let's go in your computer and see how really this is. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna need a computer and maybe pretty sure with internet connection. That's all you need. You don't need a coffee. Maybe. Go grab a popcorn, by the way, or any juice or any snack that you usually eat while watching my video. Then come back and let's go in, make your first application. I know I'm also excited. I know you also should be. So let's get into this. Alright guys, now we are back from the short intro, and as I told you, we're going on your computer and see how it really looks like. By the way, the first thing you might want to do in your computer, you might want to get it connected to the internet, as I said before. And actually this is the thing that you always want to put it in mind. So actually when you disconnect to the internet, go open any of your web browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Firefox, Opera, whatever. I like to use Chrome, so I'll just go to Chrome, then type in for flutterflow.io, like this one in the screen. You see flutterflow.io, then press enter right over here. I got you covered if you don't have an account, because you need to make one and it's real easy. So just go right over here, Flutter build apps for any screen, whatever this is. Just press on that one really quick, and right now there is FlutterFlow. You can get started with whatever stuff you want to get started with, and it's really amazing. It's really amazing. So you can go right over here and yes sir, here it is. You can start up for free. You can sign in. If you don't have an account, just go to start up for free. Then it will open up the place where you can put in your credentials, like your email, your password, your whatever. But that's amazing. So I'm just gonna sign in right here because I already have my account built and stuff and things like that. So I don't have to make new accounts. So actually need to wait up for a while for it to like open up. So see right over here, FlutterFlow is sponsored by a lot of more stuff. You can see here, trusted by all these companies around the world, like Toshiba, whatever, Yogo, whatever, this one, Roykit, I don't know, Scumberger, Deli, I don't know how to read this one, whatever. So as I told you, if you don't have an account, just press on this start for free. Then you're gonna log in maybe with your Apple, whatever, or your Mac, whatever, I don't know how. Or you can just log in with your Google account. So I just press on sign in. After I press on sign in, you can see here there is all types of login. You can log in with Windows, you can log in with Google, you can log in with this, I don't know, Google or whatever, Mac, whatever, iOS. You can log in with GitHub if you have GitHub. If you don't have an account, you can just go right over here and click create an account. So I log in with Google, and I'm gonna choose one of my, like, let me say, my Google accounts to log in with. So Just wait out for it to open up all my accounts. You can see it's signing me in right now to take me to all my recent projects that I have, and you can see I'm making a lot of more apps. I can see this one, Galaxians, is one of my application that I make on it has some, I mean, it's the movie application, you feel me? So this Galaxians is the movie application, and there is this code app, whatever this thing is. Alright, you can see how likely you want to recommend FlutterFlow to collect your friends. 0. Oh, no way, no way. I just put no, an 8. An 8 is really good for FlutterFlow because I never give anyone a 10, so that's it. Okay, right now you can see there's a recent projects, and that's all it. So you can see it over here. Let me go this code app, whatever this is. This, we're gonna use this code app for today's tutorial. Like, I just started making it a couple hours ago, by the way. So this code app, I'll show you how to really do this one beginner friendly. Like, I got you in almost everything. So right now you can just go and minimize this one so you can see the full application of yours. Oh, yeah, that's it. And if you want to make this so amazing, you can just go here and press here. You can see it's on your like a screen or something. I don't get it. Alright, now here's your application. I don't know, whatever this is. Here's our Galaxy. And if you want to make like an application, what you need to do, you just need to go right over here, and you can see there is this one, text, whatever and whatever. So in this text column, row, container, image, button, whatever, you can go here and add anything, any type of stuff, like, oh yeah. So what you need to do right over here, I don't want to make this video so long for you guys, but you're gonna do drag and drop, and you can see here all your project issues, like the setup, auth action, authentication enabled for the project need to be enabled, and other things like that one. Alright, now this application has a lot going on, so I just want to show you some of the applications that I really made, and they are really good, really amazing. So right now I'm gonna show you some of the other applications that I really made, like the Galaxians. And the Galaxians, I mean, yeah. Alright, now you can see here's the widget tree. I mean, I got some other, like, here's the login page. I made this login page. If you forgot a person, like, here's how you can add actions. For example, you put this button right over here called login. You can press on it real quick, and right out there, the right hand corner right over here, you can see you can add some actions. You can go right over here, press on this one really quickly. I'm just going to FlutterFlow really quickly for you. So you can see here number action out. This one, when you press on login, it will actually log you in. So you can see, you can make it navigate to somewhere or do any other stuff that you really want it to do. But yeah, I would just leave it as before. You can see right over here, there's login, whatever, I don't know. So you can see, I mean, you can see out provider, like an email. So this one is where you can see you can make it login by different ways, like Google. You can make it login with Apple. You can make it login with Facebook, anonymous, whatever this is, and that's it. So actually, I just chose email, and because I told you enter your email, whatever. So the email field actually is gonna be enter your email address, and the password field is gonna be enter your password, and that's all it. So you can see here all the stuff you put, like here is their email address, like right over here. So this one is their email field, and other more stuff, things like that. And I just show you guys in really shortly like how you can really do this one. And if you want to see how this application really works, I can just run it. This is like a preview, not a full run of the application. So this is like a preview. Despite your application has some errors, and this is the preview. And actually, I will really show you at the end of this video, I don't know, any part of this video, that you can make these applications run. Like, you can build an APK and you can share it to friends and family via on WhatsApp, websites, and other cool more stuff. So that's it. So stay tuned till the end of this video. We're gonna go insanely amazing. So if you wanna me to make a video of making an application from the beginning to the end, like the beginner guide, we can really start making application right away for beginners from scratch. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment that you want that video, and I'll make that video for you. If this video hits like 1k likes, then I'm gonna make that video for you. So make sure everyone watching this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and yes sir, I mean, if I get 20 more subscribers in this video and 1k likes, yo nigga, this gotta be kept. Am I even serious saying this right now? 1k likes? Who am I kidding? By the way, prove me wrong, and just prove me wrong and give me like 1k likes and above. Make sure this video gets some momentum. Share to family and friends who really want to make and start building their first applications, but they don't know how to code. So I got them covered in this video. They don't have to freak out. We all are together. Yeah, we all are together. I'm really bad in English. Kinda. Just comment down below how do you think about my English. Maybe I should change it or something and stuff and things like that. Alright, so let me leave you alone. Go back to the video, watch the video, make sure you subscribe. Just wanna make you like remember you to subscribe the video, because you gotta subscribe the channel, right? Not the video. Who am I kidding, by the way? Alright guys, let's go back on the video. Then I'm gonna make that application for you from scratch, and I'm gonna make any application, maybe any application you like, by the way. So I made this one run and stuff and things like that one, but the thing is right over here, the thing is I can do a lot of more stuff with this application, by the way, like FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is really amazing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, by the way, I'm gonna show you some of my other projects where the other one is opening up. So you can see right over here, I'm gonna navigate to my projects. Let me find where my project. Right, you can see that over here. Here is Galaxians, one of my other cool projects. Let me open Galaxians and you see how it really looks like. Now this is the application that I really sat down and I was like, damn, this application is really hard to make. Like it looks like Netflix somehow, by the way, but hey, it's really cool. You can really make one of yours right now. Okay, you can see this other application is opening up, it's loading, whatever, soon it will open up. But let's come back to this. By the way, I do this one guys for you, and you can see here is Galaxians. Let me put this one like in a phone. Yes sir. So you can see here, here there's a cover page. It will pop up. Yeah, yes sir. And you can see over here, get started. You can click on this get started, and I'll show you the action that I put in this get started button and stuff and things like that. So you can go here to actions, and actually when you press on this one, because here we go in something called the pages. So you make the first page, then the second page, because application is all about pages, right? So alright, you can go to actions right over here, and you can see bottom sheet, whatever action. So you can see login button, sheet, and other more cool stuff that I put. So here is the get started. It will actually take you to the login button sheet, like the place where you will be logging in and whatever. Alright, so preview of code app, there it is. Alright, let me minimize this one really quickly for you guys, and I want you to see how this one really looks like. So actually this is the code app that I told you. This one is the beginner guide, whatever. Where you can see over here, you can press login, and actually because you can go back right over here if you want to, you see. Now what I told you, because I put some action in this get started button, and when I press start here, it will navigate me to the second page, and when I press here, you can see it will take me to the login page. But actually if I don't have an account, I can press here to create one of my accounts, and you can see welcome and login right now. If you want to know how to really make this one, make sure you subscribe, get notified, and I'll show you how to make these applications. But hey, I still taught you something, that you need to learn FlutterFlow, and it's really amazing because it's only by drag and drop. You don't have to code, no code experience. By the way, I know how to code, but I show you how to really do this with no code experience, because I cover all of you guys. I know not all my friends knows about coding and stuff. So if you don't know about coding and you want to make application, maybe for your business, for your company, for anything, you can use FlutterFlow. It's really amazing, really cool. Now let's go to this Galaxians and let's look on the preview on these Galaxians. Alright, you can see Galaxians only have one code error. I don't know what is it. Okay, functions. Click here to check for more errors, whatever, I don't care. Now let's preview this FlutterFlow Galaxians or whatever, and let's see how it looks like. But this one is the application which is more cool, and actually I'm coming to the application how to really teach you guys on how to code and stuff, how to do a lot of more stuff, like damn yeah. So you don't have to miss any of that thing. Maybe in some, maybe an year later, maybe a year later, that application will be up. You guys gonna start learning through the Galaxy code. I don't know, comment down any name that you want my application to be called. So I just came up with Galaxy code Galaxy, whatever. By the way, you don't have to miss that application. Really amazing, beginner friendly. I cover everything just step by step for beginner guide. You don't have to freak out. Like I cover all of you guys. I know some of you guys are thick-headed like me. I know I'm also thick-headed, by the way. So I cover all of you guys. Everybody's gonna understand, so you don't have to, put much effort on it. So make sure to subscribe, get notified whenever that video is out. And that application, you need to know when it's out or not. So subscribe. When it's out, I'll tell you in my coming videos. Alright, right now you can go back right over here, and you can see here is our application up and running. This isn't the full run, but hey, it's still something. So you can go right over here. You can see here, never miss new movies on the Galaxians, wherever and whatever. I can press on this get started right over here, and you can see you can start as a member, you can log in as a member or as a guest. Let's go as a guest. And as a guest you don't have to log in, but as a member you need to log in. So I'm gonna press as the guest, and soon it will take me in. Alright, right now you can see here whatever. There is a home, there's activity, there's my profile over here. Because I log in as a guest, so they give me a random profile, a ready-made profile that can be used by anybody. So you can see it's Sophia Taylor. I made this one, like damn yeah. You can switch to that theme right over here, so you can press here and switch back. Do a lot of more stuff, like you can search for movies, you can do more cool stuff. Right here you can see there's a search button and other cool amazing stuff you need to know. Alright, let's go to the search button right over here and press on that. You can go here, okay, you can search in Galaxians, like this application, that's what's called. You can press on here and search on any movie, I don't know, Black Adams. I don't know if it's in here. I think you guys knows about Black Adams, right? Isn't it? So I just go here and alright, so you can see here, but by the way, this is the paid version. I'm trying to make a free version soon, so you don't have to freak out. But actually this is the paid version. I know that you can't watch any type of movie until you pay, and until you pay you need to log in as a member. By the way, been talking much, I've been talking a lot guys. This makes the end of this video. I didn't have a lot, I just wanted to share you that FlutterFlow is really something out there, makes really cool applications, and you need to know it. I just wanted to introduce FlutterFlow to you, so at least you had something in mind called FlutterFlow. I just show you some of my 2 applications that I made really easy just by drag and drop. You don't know how to really make this one? I told you, comment down below. I'll be glad to see your comments and I'll answer everything. And if you wanna get this one more personally, I think you can go right over there between, I don't know, under there. You can see our IG. Yeah, you can see our IG. By the way, IG is just an Instagram page, so you can go and press on that really quickly. Then yeah, I'll be teaching you everything, because when you come to my IG, what I'll just be doing, I'll just direct you to my WhatsApp and other more cool stuff, my Discord. We can be making like video chat and how to, you can share my screen, and I will be teaching you how to really do this one, beginner friendly. So if you wanna get in touch with me, just start with my Instagram page, then I'm gonna give you a lot of more cool applications with me together. Saying so, just subscribe, and that's the end of this video. But I promise, I promise you guys to make another video on really how to make these cool applications from scratch, beginner guide, read this video, I just showed you how to really get started with it, like just introducing FlutterFlow to you guys, how to make an account in FlutterFlow. My applications, I just want to inspire you. You can also make your applications, but the next video, if this one gets a little bit more momentum, share it to your friends and families. I think if this one gets to K views and like 500, okay, now let me say 500 or K likes, then this video gains about 20 or plus subscribers, I will just make another video from scratch. But if you don't want to wait for that to happen, another video, I told you, go to my Instagram page, I direct you to my Discord server. We're gonna share a screen, make a video chat, and I'll teach you everything step by step. Goodbye guys, and I love you so much. Don't miss our next video, which will be how to make an application from scratch with FlutterFlow by drag and drop. Been talking, I'm working on the dark web. I know most of you knows about dark web, right? I explained it in my previous video, the one that I told you how to make free robots, how to get free robots. At the end of the video, I explained a little bit about dark web, and there's two things like deep web, and there is another web which we all using. By the way, it's kind of limited, like it's 10%, but the deep web has like 90%. So if it's like the ocean, the deep web is 9% down the ocean, which you can't access them, at least when you have Tor, the onion web, whatever, I don't know. And the 10%, the one which you access. So if you wanna get video on that one, hacking and stuff, amazing, cool, comment down below. I'm working on that really quickly. I mean, it's gonna take a while, but by the way, in January I'll be not uploading. I'm sorry for that. The thing is, I'll be busy, but hey, I'll schedule some videos, so you will be like seeing me uploading, but I'll schedule some videos. By the way, I'm gonna edit this right now.
Come on, man. I think one of the laziest person in this world is my editor. He didn't even edit this one. I mean, the part which I told him to edit, he didn't even edit. One of the laziest person in this world is my editor. You might be wondering, if he didn't edit it, why am I telling you this one in the edits? Don't worry, let's go back to the video.
Yeah, so actually that's it. Been talking, so